Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you could join me. Today I'm just going to do a little bit of art journaling. I'm finding that I really love it. Let me first say thank you to all my returning friends. Thank you to my new subscribers. Hope you're enjoying my content here. I've been having fun just getting back into doing what I like. Art journaling can be so much fun. It's stress relieving and everything like that. I like to just kind of sit down and just get stuff done and think about it a little bit, about what I want it to look like, and finding all the pieces that I want to go with it. You know what, see, as soon as I get started here, I get a little something. So I'm finding all the pieces that I want to go with it to make sure that I have a nice looking page. This week so far has been like a busy, crazy week. I just trying to get all this stuff done, get your housework done. Saturday comes, Saturday comes and you're trying to get as much stuff done as you can on a Saturday. You get up, you try to get stuff done. And if you just kind of don't get everything done, then don't get it done. Don't worry about it. I decided to stop worrying about everything. And I go, oh, I was supposed to get the laundry done. I didn't finish the laundry. And I'm like, okay, you didn't finish the laundry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about if you didn't finish the laundry. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep enjoying yourself. Keep doing what you like doing. I'm using a little Mod Podge paper to stick this down with. I thought I'd try it since I had all this Mod Podge in my cupboard there. So I thought I'd try the Mod Podge to stick the stuff down and see how it comes out. It's supposed to be, a really good substance for sticking things down. This was I'm in a group of ladies online, and one of the ladies does AI generated pictures, and she shares them with everybody, and she says you can use them. And so this was one of the ones that she had shared of these ladies here, and I said I thought I'd get them and put them in my journal, in my art journal today. So that's what I'm doing. I like the colors that I'm using. I'm using a bit of greens and blues and stuff like that. What I did first, like I always do, I had a little distress oxides. I used some hickory smoke, stormy sky, and shabby shutters. So those are my background colors that you see there that I use to get that done, to get those down there. It's coming down pretty nice. I don't know if I actually love the way that the flowers are, that the papers, the rice paper. I got this rice paper on sale at Hobby Lobby, and I keep trying to put stuff on it to see if the rice paper will adhere certain things and kind of, not mess up or anything like that. So that's part of what this is all about. I think I want that there. It's kind of what this is all about, to try to use the, things that I get in print and use the Mod Podge and the rice paper to stick things down. So I've been writing in the journal and kind of getting, my thoughts out. I had a lot to think about this summer. I was talking to a lady today. We were in the store, and she was saying, where did my summer go? And I said, I don't know. I don't think I had summer. I had lots of plans that I wanted to have for summer, but I didn't get any of them done. Did you get all your plans done that you thought about for summer? Because I certainly didn't. I didn't get anything done that I wanted to get done for summer. I'm hoping next year that everything stays well with me and I can go and take myself a trip. and just go somewhere and do something fun. So I'm hoping that that comes about. These are rub-ons, and these are rub-ons from, they're rub-ons from 49 Market. And I like rub-ons. Since I, got those Dollar Tree rub-ons, and I was so into those. And I like a little rub-on to help me with the stuff that I'm putting down and everything. And these ones come out so well. I don't know if it will with this. The Mod Podge is messing it up. The Mod Podge has messed it up. So I'm going to have to not use it as a rub-on and use it that way, the way it came. I had to put a little Mod Podge on it to hold it down now that it's not acting like a rub-on. It's kind of tore right there. The page is kind of still wet. So I have these extra little pieces of rice paper, and I want to stick those down. So I'll probably have to let this dry better. Let it dry a little bit more before I stick it down. I didn't want to, you know what, when you try to do the whole thing on camera, I usually have a little bit of an incident, but I'm liking how it's coming out. I like how it looks. I like the look of it. Except for that part, I don't think I like that. And I know it's too late to bring it up, so I'm gonna have to leave it down there like that because I can't pick it up the way it is like that. But this is a gratitude page in my journal, and I started it out with gratitude, a feeling of joy for life's blessings, both big and small. That's gratitude for you, both big and small. Joy. Feeling the joy of it. There we go. Now I'm liking it. Now I'm liking it. There. I finished the page in my journal. So, tell me what you think about my page. Let me bring you down to it so you can kind of see it a little bit better. There it is. So that's my art journal page for the week. And I will be, don't put too much paper podge on it. I will be writing on this side. And what I want to do is put a couple of these rub-ons on this side. And so I made my journal, if you remember if you watched it before, I made my journal, and I decided that I would try to get my journaling done weekly. This is Grace and Beauty, and didn't come out too good because sometimes rubbing just doesn't do it. Just doesn't do it. I think I need one of those. If anybody else uses these a lot, do you have a special tool that you use for your rubbing? I know I used to have a popsicle stick, but I didn't have much luck with a popsicle stick either. So I've been doing this way. There we go. There we go. There we go. Just need, something when I write to have it down on there, just to give that a little bit of something on that side. So, thank you for joining me in my art journal. I can't close it. I really want to close it, but I can't because of the wetness of it and when it gets dry. So next week I'll show you how it looks when it's dry. Thank you for joining me today. If you like my art journal, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and come and join me on my journey here as I do my art journaling, my hauling, and my other crafting. And I do have a couple of videos that I'm going to put up this week. So thank you for joining me. Remember, be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.